Blockchain, a new infrastructure for financial transactions, a new approach to establish organizational boundaries. Blockchain enabled novel business models, administering the Internet of Things, and so on. The blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is a public, distributed database that allows for decentralized transactional data management. It is based on a peer-to-peer network in which no node has more authority than any other node and where anybody may join or quit the network at any time. Unlike earlier permissionless systems, Napster, BitTorrent, blockchain inserts puzzles to be solved that provide proof of work, making it particularly suitable for transactions that require peer review, robust participant identification, democratic decision-making, consensus generation, or solid provenance and audit trails. Clearly, the field of quality management has a wide range of possible applications.